everybody, I am back. Your boy 3-2. This guy fucking shoulder checked me. Alright, I see how it is, boy. Your boy 3-2 wanna go rudely interrupted. Today we're gonna be doing some headlights on the Evo. We got the VLand headlights, the angel eyes. Not a lot of people have these headlights, so let's go ahead and get these unboxed. Oh baby, go ahead and check these bad boys out. Oh yeah, beautiful, just what we were looking for. What's going on, sir? You're late to the party. All right. So the reason that I went with the VLand Angel Eyes was actually because they're the simplest. They don't have problems like the VLand ones that kind of look like the Audi style. Those usually you have to replace a fuse and usually causes your car not to start and whatnot every now and then. But these are just simple remove and replace. Also going to be doing these fog lights here. Supposedly they're super bright. They're like $40 Amazon ones, and let's see how good they really are. So we'll be doing those 2 installs today, and you guys will be coming along with me, so let's go. All right, now we got the hood open. The main 3 bolts that are going to be for the headlight are going to be this one, and I believe there's one on the inside over there. It's holding it up. We're also going to have these couple of bolts in here. I know my stuff is bunk.
Trash? No, toys. They're all toys.
Trash.
And this one over here that we got to take off. I have a screwdriver holding that place in, but I have a car in the air to help me out a little bit. And also going to be installing this lip, I forgot to mention. So let's go ahead and take these wheels out, baby. Alright, went ahead and got one wheel off, the other one as well. And now let's go ahead and get into those hard to reach places. So sometimes you see the fender liner right there is all messed up. That's usually because sometimes 10.5s really do mess up your fender liners. So hey man, it's whatever, you know. Gotta rock that freaking 10.5 wheel with the Evo, so gotta do what you gotta do. Let's do it. Fortunately, I only have 1, 2 over here in the bumper that's holding it down. Then we'll move on to the next one. So let's go ahead and take those off. Right, now that we went ahead and got them off, I usually like to keep my bolts over here. There is a wire down there that you need to disconnect because it will hold on to it. That is, I believe, your temperature sensor that's on the inside in the dash. So let's move on. So on this side over here, unfortunately, I don't have that holder bracket that holds the fender to the bumper. I just have this little bunk self-tapping screw here. But what you want to do is take off 1, 2, and 3 little things. I'm sure at the bottom there is some as well, but as always, I do not have some because I took it off or it either flapped off from, you know, being too low.
Ramon, mama ain't seen you that low in years.
Like I said, fortunately for me, I don't have a bracket on the other side, and there is a 10 holding this stuff down right here, and that's the only 10 that should be holding down the bracket. So, couple of bolts after, got the bumper off. All right, now we can get to the headlights. All right, one of the things that we have to take off before taking off the actual headlight is down here. This, I guess, socket you have to take off. That would be the main one. So literally just like the temperature one that we need to take off. Just like that, it's disconnected 1, 2. That's the little lever down there. And then there will be 10mm bolts right here. There's 1, 2, and then the inside 3rd one right here, and I believe there is one down here as well, and it's holding it down. There should be one there sometimes. but let's go ahead and take it off. All right, now that we got the 3 bolts off, there is this mechanism right here that you have to lift up a little bit. See that square? You have to lift up a little bit, push back, and it should come out like so. But this one is tangled up. All right, so that right there, it goes into this end right here. So I'm assuming this is the HID one or some other one, but this one doesn't work. It doesn't come with the HID. So the 2 wires are yet again 1, 2, and bring it over here. And 1, 2 again. All right, and here we are with the new headlights that are gonna go in. Super excited to have these fresh new babies in. Out with the old. Where are they? Doesn't matter because they're old news now, and this is good news now. So let's go ahead and start it up. This is the most honestly difficult part about putting in headlights, because they have to be matching perfectly. There's like a couple of points right here. You zoom in, you can see that right here. It's gonna go into the bolt that's right here, the little ball joint or whatever it's called. And then you have your corner go up into that, yet again, pressure point. So you gotta make sure both of these, 1 and 2 down there, are connected together. If not, you're gonna have, I'm sure, fitment issues. You don't want that. Like I said, it's difficult to put these in, but we'll be right back. All right, now that we have it installed, ready to go, yet again, check the ball joint down there. Make sure this is flush up here, and make sure you're all lined up on the edge here, ready to go. And then your final step is gonna be that same one that you disconnected with these Angel Eye ones. That one is gonna have only that socket to go in. The other one that has the what I thought was the HID one is not gonna have one for these specific kind of head. All right, doctor said this one's a girl. This sweetie pie is gonna go on that right side. And like I said, I always have trouble with these right here. Making sure the ball joint at the bottom adds up, and this one adds up as well. Always have problems. I always have issues with those two. Pretty sure you guys have the same issues. If not, you guys are some kind of miracle workers. But got the second one in, and I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up, and I'll be right back. All right, number 1 rule that everybody breaks when putting on new parts is not making sure if they work or not. Obviously, I'm excited to put on some new Angel Beautiful Eyes, baby girl, baby boy over here. So let's go ahead and check if these lights even work. Oh! All right, so clearly they are beautiful. Just check it out. I mean, boom, kabam, ka-chow, ka-chiga. Woo! Ooh, they look so nice. Check it out. Just give them the view of that, cameraman. Oh my God, zoom out a little bit, show them what's good with it. You know what I'm saying, man? Look at those beautiful eyes. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, next we have the Sociopath LED, LED lightning fog lights here that we're gonna install. These got these babies from Amazon. All right, so a little unboxing of the Sociopath fog lights, LED lights, whatever the hell they are. You got the little It's a Me Mario gloves here. And we'll go ahead and safety first, even though it's too late. Oh, all right, cool. Hee hee. I'm feeling all kinds of, you know, fame and glory here, but we're going to go ahead and put them on. You never know, we might get electrocuted, even though this is not even connected to a battery right now. But hopefully these are the right ones. I already have the bumper off, so I'm not even going to show you guys how to, you know, access them through the bottom of the car because I can't. All right, so I'm going to take these off. These crusty LEDs that I also bought from Amazon. Actually, these were from Amazon as well, $20, and they were trash. So we're moving on to the next one, H11. All right, moment of truth here. Hopefully they actually do go in. They should go in because they're both H11, and just like so, they are in. And I know I just said to double check if they work or not, but since the bumper is off, I'm just gonna risk it for the biscuit here and twist and turn and do all kinds of crazy things here, and boom, okay, they're in. Woo! All right, so I went ahead and put on my lip off camera because I had to find some screws. Still wearing my safety gloves here, but let's go ahead and make sure you guys, usually right here, there's a slot right here. This needs to go into this. You always I have to make sure that both of these are aligned. If not, you're gonna have issues with fitment, always. And that's for both sides. They both have one on each end. So I'll try to do this on my own. Then aim for the little thing in there. If not, you can always see through here. That's it. That's one good side. Now I can always see through here. That's another good side. And boom, just like that, it's in. All right, like I said, guys, my bracket, I do not have it there, so obviously I'm gonna have a fitment issue already. Make sure everything is flush on the light bulb or the headlight though. Make sure you have your 1, 2, and then 3 on the inside right there, bolts, and then we're gonna keep on moving down the line here. We're gonna have 1, 2, 3 down there, 4, 5 bolts, and then don't forget your 2 weather and zoom out, 2 weather and fog lights sockets. And then after that, moving down the line, make sure you have, once again, 1, 2, 3, and then your inner fender bolts, which I am about to do. Now we're gonna put on the wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on, and then lower it, and then put it in reverse and show you guys the final result. Looks pretty good. And then there's the other Lancer. Stock. Boom. Alright guys, one thing I forgot to mention is that I will be posting every Sunday. I will have a video every Sunday. I'm gonna have different videos for sure. But stay tuned for more. There's plenty to come for the Evo. It's gonna be a whole different car. It's your boy 1, 2, 3 go. See you later.